Hello guys, welcome back to our channel. And in this video, I'll be showing you how to add widget in Notion. So let's start first by opening your Notion or login with your existing Notion account. And below the reading list, kindly click the Add page, in which you can edit the title of it. Let's say widget. And in order to add widget in Notion, you can use the indify.co, in which you can log in using your Google or email address. And after you sign up in indify.co, it will lead you to its home. And now that you're in, all you need to do is to click Add New Widget. Scroll down and explore the other widget, in which variety of widget that we can use, such as Volume 1, Volume 2, Volume 3, and so on. But I'm gonna choose this widget called Quotes. All you need to do is click Create Widget, and you can edit the title of the widget. I would say My Sample Widget. And after that, click Continue. And just wait for the new widget to generate. And after that, all you need to do is to copy the link on the lower left. And after copying the link to clipboard, all we need to do is to paste it on our Notion account. After pasting it, click Create Embed. And just wait for it to load. And you have now your widget in your Notion account. So that's it. If you wanted to know how to add widget in Notion, that is the easiest way I know. I hope you find this video helpful, and if you do, kindly give us a like and subscribe to our channel. Thank you very much, and see you on our next video.